in the heart of a quaint, picturesque town named Willowbrook. There lived a woman named Clara. Her life was a tapestry of joy, but it was about to unravel in the face of a fierce trial, revealing the threads of resilience that bound her spirit. Clara was known for her radiant smile and a heart that overflowed with kindness. Her days were filled with laughter and the sweet aroma of freshly baked bread that wafted from her cozy bakery, Clara's Confections. The townsfolk adored her not just for her delectable treats but for the warmth she brought into their lives. One fateful night, as the moon cast a silvery glow over Willowbrook, disaster struck. A devastating fire born of unknown origins swept through the town, leaving destruction in its fiery wake. Clara's beloved bakery, a cherished cornerstone of the community, fell victim to the merciless flames. As dawn broke, the town was left to survey the smoldering ruins. Clara's bakery was now a charred shell, the sweet memories within reduced to ashes. It was a heart-wrenching scene, but Clara's spirit, like a glowing ember, refused to be extinguished. With the support of her fellow townspeople, Clara made a decision. She would rebuild her bakery brick by brick and memory by memory. The road to recovery was long and arduous, with setbacks and challenges aplenty, but Clara's heart remained steadfast. She rolled up her sleeves, dusted off her apron, and embarked on the journey of a lifetime. Clara's Confections was not just a bakery. It was a testament to the indomitable human spirit. Clara, now known as the Baker of Resilience, worked day and night, pouring her love and determination into every cake, cookie, and pie. The town rallied around her, just as they had after the fire. Together they cleaned debris, hammered nails, and painted walls. The bakery was rebuilt, but it wasn't just a structure. It was a symbol of hope and the incredible power of resilience. As Clara flung open the doors of her bakery once again, the townsfolk gathered outside to celebrate. The sweet scent of fresh pastries filled the air, and the laughter that echoed from the bakery was even more infectious than before. Clara's smile, though scarred by adversity, shone even brighter. Clara's journey of resilience wasn't just about rebuilding a bakery. It was about rebuilding her spirit and the spirit of an entire town. The fire had taken away her physical possessions, but it had ignited a fire within her, one that burned with an unyielding determination to overcome any obstacle. In the heart of Willowbrook, Clara's story became a legend of hope and inspiration, a reminder that even in the face of the fiercest trials, the human spirit has the power to rise from the ashes, stronger and more resolute than ever before. And so, as the sun set on Clara's bakery, the townspeople gathered once more. Not just to savor the sweets, but to savor the sweetness of resilience. Clara's bakery had risen from the ashes, and so had she, embodying the spirit of unyielding determination. It was a tale to be told for generations, a testament to the human capacity for resilience. The story that would echo in the hearts of all who faced adversity and inspire them to rise just as Clara had from the ashes of life's trials.